For today's daily vlog, another harvest na naman tayo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa bahay ng isa sa matagal ng kaibigan ni Jack. Every year talaga, pag mango season guys, iniimbitahan niya kami dito sa kanyang bahay. Nagtatanim sila guys ng mga manggano pero hindi sila mahilig kumain ito. Pinapamigay lang din nila at bilang tayo ay mga Pinoy, mahilig talaga tayo especially sa green mango. Sobrang ganda talaga ng lugar nila dito, very relaxing, chill lang. Sana balang araw makabili din tayo ng ganitong property. Yung bahay ba na malapit sa lake? O malay natin, di ba? Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
This is who I am.
Oh, that's the picture that Juliet was showing. Kakagaling lang pala ni John guys, galing sa kanyang eye exam.
They want to see me again in 2 days on the 4th.
So what did they find out?
They don't think it's alarming, but they want the eye surgeon to take a look at it. I didn't go in for glaucoma. That's just what they diagnosed me with. But there's a spot on the back of the eye.
Which eye?
The right eye.
Okay.
There's a spot there. And it's like having a freckle.
So that's it?
I saw it before.
Suspicious choroidal?
Nevus.
Suspicious choroidal nevus. It's common and usually benign. Non-cancerous pigmented spot inside the eye, especially like a freckle or mole in the layer called choroid. They often gray, brown, or slate colored. Kaya naman magpapaschedule ulit si Jan ng appointment guys para sa another exam na naman. Ganito talaga dito guys, pag may mga makita silang something, buti na lang may mga insurance na nagko-cover ng mga ganitong tests, konti lang ang babayaran mo. Siguro ay magpapacheck up na lang si Jan ulit, pagkatapos na lang siguro ng bakasyon namin sa Pilipinas, mga July na siguro.
Today I'm gonna attempt keto style cheese sticks. Breadsticks. It's cottage cheese, egg, mozzarella cheese, a little bit of seasoning. Internet recipe. We'll see if it works.
Mahilig talaga si John guys magtingin-tingin na online, especially may Pinterest yan siya and then kumukuha siya doon ng mga recipe and then tinatry niya. Most of the time naman, successful yung mga ginagawa niya.
Whisk in 1 egg. Special blend. Out of the oven we go. Looks like that. I have to let it cool now. Well, I let it cool down. And try a piece anyway. Very tasty. So I think I know what I did wrong. It's not brown on the bottom at all. The oven's wrong. It doesn't cook from the bottom up. It's like an air fryer kind of thing. So I put it in the pan. I'm going to brown the bottom. and see if that changes anything. Because it tastes pretty good. The mix as well. It's supposed to be breadsticks. Keto breadsticks.
Keto breadsticks with cheese, I suppose. Mmm. Still good, huh?
Still good. Stuck to the paper.
Looks like we need to put something, sauce or something.
It tastes like pizza.
Mmm. It's very good. So the only problem is it's stuck in paper?
That's the only problem.
Mmm. I love it. It's really good.
It is good.
Mm-hmm. So there's egg.
Egg, cottage cheese,
Mm-hmm.
mozzarella,
Okay.
seasoning. That's it.
Very good merienda here. I love it.
Me too.
Mm-hmm.
I had to stop eating it, so I didn't finish it before I gave you some.
Inubos ko na guys. With soda, of course. Aalis lang kami ni Jan, guys. Pupunta kami sa bahay ni Karen, Jan's friend, and used to be her his co-worker before. Papalabasin lang natin si Midnight.
Midnight, come here. Come here.
Mm. Mm. Wow. Mm.
Should I bring the cat? Very good, huh?
Mm. How dare you? You guys disturb me. You want me to go out? Oo, out ka muna. Kasi aalis muna kami. Maghahanap buhay muna. Pupunta tayo sa bahay ng kaibigan ni Jan. Tapos mag-harvest tayo ng mangga, guys. Kasi, sabi niya hindi pa daw ready eh. Pero feeling ko ready na yun. Kasi yung ibang mga mangga ready na. Last time kasi nung dumaan kami doon, na masura kami ni Jan, hindi pa talaga siya ready. Kasi parang, medyo maliit pa siya. Pero, mga 1 month na yun eh. Do you know? Lagayan ng cleaning. Cleaning supplies ang aking dala. Parang batya. I think kailangan natin ng kuhit, guys. No, mabuti na yung ano tayo. Sigurado tayo. 'Di ba? Baka pagdating natin doon, wala siyang kuhit. Mabuti nang may dala tayo. Uy, nasaan yung kuhit? Andito pala. Ayan. Meron kaming kuhit dito sa aming mangga. Yan. Alam niyo ba kung saan namin nakuha ito? Sa ano din, scavenging namin. Wala kaming ganito eh. Tapos one day, na masura kami ni Jan, nag-ikot-ikot kami dito sa neighborhood namin. Ito nakita namin. Other way around. Ayan. Alright, let's go. Excited na ako na mag-harvest na naman tayo. Bukas pala may pupunta din dito sa bahay. Kasi maghahatid siya ng mga na-harvest niya na mangga. Si Feb. Kasi sabi niya para ma-share ko daw sa mga friends natin. At nandito na tayo ngayon sa bahay niya at kinakatok na natin. May dala akong basket.
Hello.
Hi!
Look at you.
How are you?
You're ready for a vacation with your hat.
Yes. We brought our cat.
I miss you.
We brought our cat.
Oh, you scared this. It's like, okay, is it
Happy
friendly?
Halloween.
Oh my God.
Happy Halloween.
Now?
At the mango tree.
With this one.
When he goes to pick the mango tree, then I do that, and he looks and runs away scared.
Oh my God. Is that from Halloween, really?
Yeah.
Well, you
Yeah, I like your mango.
Oh my God. Everybody's like, are they there?
Yeah, I like your mango.
Yeah, they're.
What? Carrot? What's the name?
I'll take a picture of the thing that I took when I bought it. I bought it, it was this big in the back of my Toyota. I planted it there. Who does not have a green thumb, believe me.
Mm.
No, there
They're
it is.
like weeds, all of them.
Well, they told me, this guy got me. because I said I just moved here 13 years ago, whatever. But this is, I don't know, 8 years ago that I went and I said, I don't want a tree that's going to be 40 foot high.
Oh, yeah.
This won't grow more than 10 feet. He got me. But they are the best mango.
Best, yeah.
The house we just went out to,
They're small, yeah.
Oh, really?
Parkland,
Parkland, 17 trees.
And
But-
they're
but
stains
He
small?
cuts them.
small.
Oh, okay.
Ah, they look beautiful.
It's hot on this side.
Beautiful weather.
I don't mind it. Today was nice and breezy.
Nice and breezy, and look at that beautiful view in
Did you
here.
get any rain?
Ayun, look at that.
Yes, but not enough. But enough to tease us and make everything grow again.
Uh-huh.
Yep. But they're far from done, you know.
Right, mine too. I say August. The
No,
girls,
it'll be like a month,
Ayun,
6 weeks, something like that.
the girls
Ayun na
are
si Jan.
always picking 'em.
Yeah.
Excited na talaga akong mag-harvest, guys. Hitik din sa bunga ang mangga nila, ha? At saka madali lang itong i-harvest, guys, kasi maabot mo lang yung iba. Pero sabi ni Jan, yung mga kukunin lang daw namin is yung mga nasa taas since may kuhit kami. Si Karen kasi is wala siyang kuhit. Kung maalala ko, guys, parang Kerry ang name ng variety ng mango na ito. Ang ganda, guys, no? Masarap itong mangga na ito, guys, kasi maasim siya pag hilaw pa. Ayoko nang medyo matamis na mangga, guys, kasi usually kasi ang ginagawa ko is nilalagyan ko siya ng asin, nilalagyan ko siya ng suka. So perfect ang ganito, 'di ba? Suka pa rin kahit na maasim na. O 'di ba, guys? O, tara na. Mag-pick na tayo, guys.
It's good.
But I could do dip. You know, I could put that together.
Aha.
All right, have fun, guys.
Thank you.
We will just get the one.
How many were you planning to take?
Just a little, just small amount. I will just climb also. Okay. I think I'm gonna
Do you want to do the joke first?
yeah, joke first. And then I'm gonna run there. Siyempre, gagawa din tayo ng comedy skit since nandito na tayo. Yun po yung purpose ng pagdala ni Jan nung stuffed toy na cat. Kasi kunyari, kukuha ako ng mangga, tapos magugulat na lang ako dahil may pusa. Yan na, guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay ni Karen at nakikita nyo ba ito, guys? Maliit lang yung manggahan niya, guys, no? Pero hitik na hitik sa bunga talaga. And super sweet. Nakalimutan ko lang kung ano yung pangalan ng mangga na ito. Ayan, oh. Pero grabe, ang sarap nito. Okay, may kinuha na nakuhit si Jan dito, guys. Ayan.
Am I picking or you?
You're picking first.
Sure you don't want to try one first?
Tap.
Tara! Harvest tayo.
Ayan na, nang-harvest na si Jan, guys.
Want to try one?
Yeah, I can try one.
Okay.
More pa, more. Okay.
We want to make sure they're good, no?
Abot mo lang siya ng iyong kamay. Ayan, as you can see. So, magta-try tayo ng isa. Dear, magta-try tayo ng isa, darling. Okay. So, pwede na to. Sa probinsya, ganito lang yan eh.
Don't break your teeth.
Ay, ang sarap niya. Wow. Maasim. Maasim siya. Ito yung perfect na lagyan ng asin. Manghingi tayo ng asin. Oh, wow. Oh, di ba? I-share naman natin yung iba sa ating mga kababayan.
Don't take all the
No?
little ones.
Dito sa US. Ayan, sabi ni Jan, wag daw natin kunin dito sa mababa.
Karen doesn't have a picker.
Oo. So, ito na lang yung kunin natin sa taas. Yan. Oh, wow, ang dami. Ay, nakuha yung ano. Oh, di ba, guys? Wow. Thank you so much, Karen. Ito, dear, oh. Ay, hala, ang dami dito, dear, oh. Ay, hala ka, ang dami pala dito, darling, oh. Ay, hala ka, ang dami dito, dear. Malalaki din siya dito, darling. Ay. Ay. Do you think for the mango, if you harvest them, it will ripe fast in the ripe process?
Depends on how young they are. They'll still
Ay, hala,
ripe.
parang ano na siya, oh. Parang hinog na nga siya, darling, oh.
Okay. That's It's good.
Huh? More on the top. Only on top.
There's some higher up.
Higher up.
Yeah, on the other side.
Na-realize ko guys na wala palang sungkit si Karen, so mahirapan siya mag-harvest nito kapag may mga pumupunta dito kasi ng mga kaibigan din niya at nanghihingi din ng mangga. So yung mga kinuha lang namin ni Jan is yung sa mga pinaka-tuktok na mangga. Ayan na. Natuwa naman ako kay Jan no? Kasi very considerate talaga. Hindi ko naisip yun kanina. Ako talaga gusto ko lang magkuha ng kuha lang. Nag-enjoy ako kasi yung iba is mabilis lang siyang i-harvest. Pero tama nga naman. No? Maging considerate lang tayo. Hindi porkit binigyan tayo guys. Kukunin na natin yung marami. Ako naman guys no is kumakain din ako ng mangga pero hindi talaga yung parang everyday kakain ng mangga, 'di ba? So ako naman is nag-share din ako ng blessings. Itong mga nakuha ko guys is hindi lang naman ako ang kakain nito. Okay? Makikita nyo mamaya na may pupunta din kasi sa bahay para manghingi ng mangga sa akin. No? Hindi kasi namin ma-accommodate lahat, hindi namin mabigyan lahat ng aking mga followers, ang aking mga kaibigan ng mangga namin kasi yung mangga namin is hindi naman ganito kahitik ang bunga.
Want soda or beer?
No, thank you.
You want a snack?
Not really. Thank you.
Okay.
I was just
So
snacking
this is-
before I left the house.
Okay.
Curry
Making another
mango.
Oh, you're taking a picture. I just sent it to you, John. I don't have Johannes's information. You need to share his contact with me. And I don't do
Social media.
But
I see sometimes you commented, ha?
I do.
Yeah.
I mean, I pop in and out.
Yeah.
You know, but what am I going
That, oh, I didn't know. I didn't know Karen is...
What do you want to drink? You gotta have something to hydrate. What? Water, soda, beer? I don't know.
I'll just get a bottle of brandy instead.
I'm not gonna be. Am I being a bad influence here?
No, I have
No, seriously.
power over myself.
I don't have power over myself.
At pagkatapos nga namin mag-harvest ng mangga guys, ay sabi ni Karen, mag-stay daw muna kami saglit at magkukwentuhan lang at saka magmerienda. Nag-prepare lang pala siya ngayon guys ng chips at saka salsa.
Okay, when they come back and people are buying new property, they'll be throwing stuff.
Almost everything I put out, somebody takes.
I know. Well, yeah. Or if they don't, you try.
That's right.
You don't feel guilty just dumping it.
Well, if it's not junk, then I'll
Yeah.
I'll pull it in and put it back out again.
Pinag-uusapan namin guys kung bakit wala na masyadong tinatapon yung mga kapitbahay ni Karen na mga gamit. Kasi dito kasi kami sa neighborhood nila nag-iikot guys. Kapag namamasura kami, nagsascavenging kami. May marami kaming nakukuha dito from bed. Hindi naman namin kinukuha yung bed. Mga furniture, ang tawag dito, mga sofa and something like that. Anything na mga tinatapon ng mga kapitbahay nila, kinukuha namin kapag magamit namin o yung iba na maliliit lang pinapadala namin sa Pilipinas. Pero this season kasi, kaya pala wala na silang mga tinatapon dito guys kasi mga snowbirds na pala ang mga tao dito. So kapag summer dito sa Florida, meron silang mga iba't ibang bahay sa iba't ibang state, kagaya ng New York, Connecticut, at kung saan-saan pa dito sa US. Snowbird pala ang tawag doon guys. At sabi ni Karen, sasabihan daw niya kami kapag season na naman ang mga pagtatapon ng mga gamit dito, siguro mga September, October, November, ganyan daw maraming mga nagtatapon ng mga gamit ang mga kapitbahay nila dito. So, see you next season.
And turn up the AC.
They're kind of big pieces, so I'll make you guys a giant sandwich.
Giant,
You
yes.
can split it and or you can eat the whole thing.
Ang sweet talaga ni Karen kasi gagawa daw siya ng giant sandwich kasi meron pa daw siya mga leftover na yung roasted chicken sa Costco niya nabili. Ito daw yung ipapalaman niya sa giant sandwich.
The seeds. I love rye bread with caraway seeds.
Oh,
And it's not good for me, but that's my guilty pleasure. I can't go to Costco and not get a chicken. They are the best.
Well, we know what to get her for Christmas now.
No, I don't. Are you kidding me?
Maybe we'll find one on the side
Can
of the
you
road.
find just one?
Even our picker for the mango trees from the road. Yes.
Found it? That's a good thing to have.
Yeah.
Marketplaces.
Farmers.
They should have good tomatoes. Maybe they have heirloom tomatoes.
I never did it. But I think I've had it at somebody's house.
Looks good on you.
Wow, that looks good on you. Maybe we can give you bigger than that.
Nagustuhan nga pala ni Karen yung aking hat, guys, kaya naman binigay ko na ito sa kanya. Sabi ko bibili na lang ako ng bago pag uwi ko ng Pilipinas, and then bibilhan ko rin siya. Bibilhan ko siya ng mas malaki nito, guys. Mahilig kasi yan siya maglakad-lakad, guys, exercise everyday. Nag-golf din yan siya. So bibigyan ko siya ng cap kasi nag-request siya yung may tali daw. Ayan, pauwi na kami ni Jan, guys, nito. Tapos na-realize ko, hay, sunset na pala. Tapos na ata yung sunset dito, guys. Sabi ko, uy, dito tayo sa labas. Dapat pala dito tayo kanina nagkwentuhan at nagmerienda. Ang ganda talaga ng lugar nila dito, guys. Every time na pumupunta ako dito, talagang na-amaze talaga ako. Parang relaxing, nawawala yung problema mo. Ang ganda ng mga ganitong view, no? Sana one day magkaroon tayo ng bahay na ganito in front of the beach, in front of the lake pala. Ayan, tapos maganda dito magba-barbecue ka, barbecue party, no? Tapos magdi-dinner kayo dito sa labas, sugba-sugba, inom-inom, o sugba gamay, inom daghan. O, di ba guys? So relaxing, so chilling.
Wonderful time. Maybe I'll go on a cruise with you one time.
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe in September on my birthday.
When's your birthday?
September
September what?
18th.
Maybe.
Even 3 nights, 4 days.
Something short.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be open.
Sabi namin sa kanya, since nag-iisa lang siya dito, guys, baka gusto niya sumama sa amin ni Jan kapag mag-cruise kami. So pinagpaplanuhan namin na mag-cruise kami sa birthday ko sa September, kahit na mga 3 nights, 2 days, or 3 nights, 2 days, 3 days, 2 nights, mga ganun lang good, guys. Mabilis ang cruise lang sa Bahamas, diba? Diba? Party-party ba?
Yay! Punta lang yung kinuha ko, guys, kasi marami pa siyang bibigyan.
And use the restrooms. How can you guys sit here
No.
all day and not use the restroom? That's weird. I guess because you're not a woman. Okay, guys. Love you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for
Thank you,
riding.
thank you.
You're very kind.
Very kind. Okay, lagay ko lang to sa likod. I think here na lang. Yup, here. Binigay ko na yung kalo ko, guys, kasi bibili na lang ulit ako sa Pinas. Ayan, hindi na kami kakain ni Jan, but I think I'm still hungry. Maybe wings.
How can you still be hungry?
Maybe wings. Just
You have a
wings.
hole in your leg?
Hmm?
Do you have a hollow leg?
Hollow leg. Hollow leg. Ayan, so may bibilihin lang si Jan dito. I think beer yung bibilihin niya dito. Ilak lang natin yung door natin. Ayan. Ang ganda ng apartment. Alam nyo, last year, parang ang bilis nila matapos dito. At saka yung Trader Joe's, try nating daanan mamaya. Ito yung excited ako na mag-open. Mag-open na to soon eh. Hopefully may mga bag. Hopefully August mag-open sila tapos marami silang benta na bags. It's gonna be more exciting. Hahakutin ko na naman yung bags nila. Sino ba to? Taga saan ba to? Naghahakot ng bags ng Trader Joe's, sorry, excuse me. This is one of the best kasi ilang beses na kami pumupunta ng Trader Joe's, diba? This is one of our favorite stores. Chain of stores, and this one I can say that this is the best, not because it's new but because of the design of the structure. It's very nice, for sure inside it's very organized as well. Bawal lang mag-video dito, pero pwede naman magpatago na mag-video. Marami naman nagvi-video sa loob ng Trader Joe's eh. Pero sa store policy kasi nila bawal mag-video. Hindi ko alam, bawal ata nilang ipa-compare yung mga prices nila sa other stores. But I'm very excited for that store. And then feeling ko magiging busy siya. Kasi for one, merong apartment dito. So for sure, dito yan sila mag-grocery sa Trader Joe's. Ayan. Tapos, feeling ko may restaurant. May katabi din doon na building. Wala pang signage kung ano yun. Pero feeling namin, nung una akala ko bank or something. Pero feeling ko restaurant. Kasi yung dito sa gilid niyan guys is may lake siya. So I think restaurant facing the lake. Beautiful trade. Yeah. Oh, there is a store. Ansa pa? Sige. Bye-bye.
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 Enjoy your mani-pedi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Wow. I don't know what store is this.
Tapos habang papunta kami sa store ng Trader Joe's guys, may nadaanan kami dito na ito ata yung kanilang dumpster site. Hala, dito tayo sa susunod. Madalas nyo kaming makikita dito sa susunod na mamamasura.
Huh? I should need it, not you.
There's your brand new Trader Joe bags.
There is?
The next trending.
Malapit na talagang matapos. Sana makabalik na kami from vacation pag nag-opening ito, no? Ay, kami ang magka-cut ng ribbon.
Bahay na kami, guys. And here's Province waiting for us. Hi, Province. Hello, Province. Where's Midnight? Where's Midnight? Where's your friend? Hi, come here. Midnight, where are you? Midnight, where are you? Come here. Come here. Hi. You want to say hi to me? Where's the belly rub? Belly rub. Let's go some belly rub. Let's do some belly rub. Oh. Belly rub. Belly rub. Belly rub. There he is. Oh. Asan kaya si Midnight?
Time for tofu.
Tofu tayo. Oh, I miss tofu. Stir-fried tofu. Today is, we are expecting also our delivery today. And that's gonna be 14 boxes.
So I have to drain. This will help squeeze the tofu out.
Hi guys! Good morning! Ayan, so kukuha lang ako ngayon ng e-visa for our travel to Turkey dahil in 1 week time ay babiyahe na tayo para sa ating cruise, a 7-day cruise sa Europe. Punta po kami ng Greece, punta po kami ng Malta and Turkey. Mayroon na po akong Schengen visa, nakuha ko po last month. And eto, kukuha tayo ng e-visa. Not sure kung si John ay kailangan ba niya. Nag-check siya sa AI, ChatGPT, and sabi daw hindi daw kailangan ng American citizen na kumuha ng e-visa. So, not sure about that. Ngayon, Department of Turkey, e-visa, ito ata yun, DTV. Ayan, ito ata yun. So, punta lang tayo sa website nila. So, medyo mabagal lang. Not sure why. Maybe a lot of people are getting visa. Automatic. Ayan oh. E-visa, electronic visa, Republic of Turkey. Ayan. Tagal. Ang tagal niya. Hala. Ito na nga ba ang sinasabi ko eh.
Didn't you have a refresh?
Do I need to change the arrival date? No, when we go online there, no, looks like it's very complicated.
You think so?
No, because there's a lot of information, you need to enter, la la la, li li li. And then if you, one mistake, just like for example, the single and multiple entry. You really have to go in detail. Because once you miss one thing, oh, why is it not multiple? Why is it single entry? You cannot get in the ship.
They will not let you on the
They
ship.
will not let me in. Just like in Washington. They have all our information. Why didn't they tell me that UK is not part of Schengen Schengen area? So you really have to like this one. Arrival date, if we do not touch it, okay, it says in here, June 3, arrival in Turkey. If I don't touch it, they might say, oh, it says here your arrival in Turkey is June 3. Why do you arrive here in June 14? Diba? So you really have to go in details. That's why I say it's so hard, because you really have to look thoroughly. Okay, so dito I will base in here in our itinerary. Okay? So here, okay, day 3, day 4, Turkey. Let's see, Turkey. Our Turkey is day 5. 16.
Okay.
It's only one day. Okay. Arrival in Turkey is 16. So I will put 16 here.
Guys, finally, nakakuha na ako ng visa sa Turkey! Tuloy na ang bakasyon ni Johannes nandyan! Woohoo! May isa pa palang problema guys sa ticket namin ni Jan pauwi ng Pilipinas kasi akala ko nung nakaraan may naka-assigned na seats na sa amin na magkatabi kami ni Jan. Kasi yung flight namin from Greece, dadaan kami ng Turkey, and then from Turkey, papunta ng Manila. So yun yung flight namin. Ngayon, pag-check ko online, ang hirap pa naman hanapin yung kanilang mga e-ticket, mga PNR and everything. So nahirapan talaga kami ni Jan. So buti na lang, especially pag mag-book kayo guys sa mga third-party agency, ang hirap hanapin ang kanilang kasi minsan hindi ma-email sa'yo yung mga information. Tapos pag magla-login ka naman sa website ng airline, hinahanap nila yung ano ba yung mga hinahanap nila? Confirmation number, mga ticket number, mga PNR and all. So ayun, nung chinek namin kanina, walang seat assignment si Jan. Kaya tumawag ako sa customer representative and then sa Turkish airline, and then sabi niya, i-fix niya daw yung issue. So ayun guys, buti na lang talaga at nag-initiate ako kanina na tignan yung aming ticket pauwi ng Pilipinas kasi kung hindi, naku, baka maubusan ng upuan si Jan. Magtayo na lang.
Alright. Hey, darn kitty. He wants to harvest.
And in today's vlog, exciting ito guys dahil magluluto na naman ng tinola si Jan. Kompletos recados na tayo guys dahil may tanglad na tayo dito, may papaya tayo dito sa garden natin at may malunggay tayo. Hindi na natin kailangan pang bumili. Bibili pa pala tayo pero yung subak na lang, yung chicken na lang. Diba? Ang healthy ng ating tanglad oh.
We have lots of mangoes, guys. Siguro papuntahin ko dito ngayon sa Ate Edith. Ayun, oh. They're starting to get rotten. Ayan. No, it's still firm. It's only on the skin.
Yeah, I don't know what the spots are, but they probably
Ito,
happen all the time.
parang pahinog na siya. Oh. Ito yung masarap. 1, 2. Ito hindi ko to bibigay. Kasi masarap siya. Very sweet. Ito, ipamamigay ko ito. Ayan. Ito, ipapamigay ko din to. Ayan. Ito, malapit na ata itong mahinog kasi nag-start na siya mag-yellow. Ayan, papuntahin ko dito sa Ate Edith. And then pupunta din dito mamaya si Feby kasi maghahatid siya ng maraming mangga. Marami pa siyang ibibigay sa akin actually. And then maybe we can share some to Kate if she will bring a lot. Maglinis lang ako dito ng floor. And then aayusin ko pala yung mga table dito. Siguro tatanggalin ko na lang yung isang table kasi sa floor na lang natin ilagay lahat ng mga boxes para hindi mahirap, para maraming space. So, yun yung gagawin ko ngayon. Mag-start na ako mag-box. Kasi hinihintay pa namin yung bags eh. Kailangan, we cannot start anything. We cannot do anything until the package is here. Until the delivery is here. Because maybe it says online that it will be delivered today, but it will not be delivered today. So, ayoko ng ganyan. Gusto ko nandito muna lahat bago kami mag-start. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Tapos na ako guys. Tawag na tayo sa Turkish airline. Okay na. So,
Finally, nakakuha na ako ng e-visa for Turkey. Finally, meron na tayong visa. And then, i-gather ko na lahat ng information ko. So, eto na guys, inaayos lang muna namin yun dyan, itong ating dalawang adjustable table. Ayan, buti na lang meron tayong dalawang ganito guys, no? Kasi kailangan talaga natin ito. Especially pag mga marami kaming stocks ni John, dito namin nilalagay. Sabi ko kasi, is tanggalin na lang sana yung mga table, tapos ilalatag na lang sana namin yung mga bags or mga boxes sa floor. Sabi ni John is masakit daw yung kanyang bewang kapag yun yung style na gagawin ko. So, sabi ko, since may dalawa tayong adjustable table, so yun na lang, papahabain na lang namin ito guys. And then dito na lang namin ilalagay yung mga bags. So tutulungan ako ni John mamaya. Nagpapasalamat talaga ako guys noon na tutulungan ako ni John mamaya dahil kung ako lang siguro mag-isa ito is hindi ko talaga ito makakaya. Pero like I said guys, siguro maghahanap ako ng isang makakasama or dalawang makakasama na Pinay na malapit lang din dito sa amin guys para mas mapadali ang trabaho ko. Kasi pag ako lang isa or dalawa lang kami ni John, parang matagal matapos yung trabaho namin, malapit na yung flight namin, nagmamadali, nagkukumahog na kami na matapos na ito guys
Harvest tayo, papaya.
Ayan, mag-harvest si John ng papaya for tinola. Ayan, ayan mag-harvest lang si John. Oh, yun ang bilis. Wow, dalawa? Ooh.
There's a bigger one on the other
Ay,
side.
yeah, there's a bigger one. That's good.
Looks yellow. It's okay.
It's okay.
Let's see how it is.
Oo. Ayan. Mag-harvest na si John. Magpapaya, magtinola tayo. Tinolang manok. Hello guys, I'm very excited na for our lunch. Buti na lang meron pa tayong baka warning. Ito, nalinisan na ni John itong ating tanglad. Bubuhol-buholin lang natin ito na parang paa ng manok. Hala, ang dami nito dear. It's a lot.
Okay, I pulled too much. I don't know.
But it's okay, a lot is good. It's not a chicken leg, it's a turkey leg. Ayan guys. So, tignan natin kung sasarap ang ating kuan ito. Oh. Kalaki ng hiwa. Oh, na. Okay, hiwa agos. Uy. Okay. Excited ako na darating yung ating package today, guys. I'm very excited.
Sorry, a little bit of fish sauce.
Oh, no!
Huh?
Where would you do that?
Oh, because you eat everything else. Why do we ruin the tinola?
Okay. You have a wheelchair?
We go to the Asian place, you get fish sauce loaded with the noodles. Pad Thai.
Sinabi ko kasi sa kay Jan, nabawal sa akin yung fish sauce. Bakit ka naglagay sa tinola? Pero sabi naman ni Jan guys, hindi kasi makukumpleto ang tinola. Alam niya rin guys na hindi masarap ang tinola kapag walang fish sauce. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, nagbibiro nga ako sa kanya, meron ka bang wheelchair Jan? Meron naman. Pagka nito karang atong gout guys, di na punta kalakaw ani. Wag naman sana pag nasa cruise tayo. Pero matagal na rin hindi nakatukar yung aking gout. Wag naman sana tayong dalawin ng ng atake nitong gout natin habang nasa bakasyon tayo. Kung hindi, magkiang-kiang, ma-priority sa airport. Sa atin, di ba guys, is sinasawsaw natin sa patis. Ang tinola. Okay, done. Wash it.
Before it would show me the items that are sent out
For
for the pirate ship. Now it seems like it doesn't do it. Maybe it takes a couple days.
yep. All right, I'm done with this. What else to do?
Just double check my recipe.
All right.
Higanting tanglad talaga ang nilagay namin dito guys. Pero mas masarap talaga pag maraming tanglad guys. Kahit sa mga roast chicken o roast pig, 'di ba? Mas maraming tanglad, mas masarap at mas malasa. Kaya for sure sa tinola natin ngayon, mas masarap ito.
Bango! Smell good. And John is going to put the chicken bouillon
Chicken cube
cubes.
times 2s. On goes the lid.
Hi guys, dahil magtitinolang manok tayo ngayon, hindi man makumpleto ang tinolang manok kung walang malunggay, 'di ba? So, manguha na tayo mag-harvest. First, ano natin ito dear, no? This is the first harvest.
The first harvest since the freeze.
Ayan. Okay guys. Wow. Luto tayo ng tinola. Parang every month nagtitinola tayo dear, no? Every month we're having tinola. Masarap kasi.
Because
paborito
it's
din ni
delicious,
Chan.
yeah.
Oo.
Masarap.
Masarap talaga. Pwede nga natin gawin to yung dahon, ay yung bulaklak dear. We can actually cook the
The
flower.
flour, okay.
Tama ba guys? Comment na kayo. Comment below. That's good? Or
Yeah, that's enough.
maybe more? There's a lot. You think that's enough?
Yeah.
Alright.
Unless you like to really load it up.
Because malunggay is herbal, like herbal.
Herbal, nutritional.
Nutrition. There's another. So ito na po yung nakuha natin ng malunggay sa ating garden. Maghagpat na tayo dahil isasagol natin ito mamaya sa ating tinola. Nandito na po yung ating papaya. And then nandito na po yung ating tinolang manok. It's very nutritious. Miracle plant. Ganyan lang maghagpat haros. Tanggal ang bukog. Ganyan
Fresh
lang.
from the garden.
Oo. Ngayon, haros. Putol. Dali ra.
Are you harassing me?
Yes. Harusing. No, I'm not harusing you. I'm harusing daw marungga. Right?
10 seconds.
We don't want to wash it.
We don't have to.
We don't have to.
You can if you want to.
Hindi na talaga namin to inaano guys. We no wash.
Because it won't matter.
It won't matter.
You put it in wet, it's okay. It's getting wet anyway.
Right.
I think I might need a little more juice.
I think I might need a little more rice. Look at the bahaw.
Right.
Make sure we have enough bahaw, ha?
Yeah.
Okay, because maybe we have
There's
visitor.
dots.
Are you sure?
Well, if there's visitors, we gotta cook rice for them.
Okay.
I could do them all at once. I gotta make some more space.
Hala ka, uy. Yan ang tinola. Wow. Kain tayo, guys. All right. Tinola for lunch.
Cotton tayo.
Hala ka, ang sarap, darling. Ay, ang sarap.
Very.
Mm. Mm. Bongga sa sarap. Tapos meron akong mangga dito. Bigay ni ano?
You need a plate or something?
Ay, ka-perfect ng mangga mo, Day. Wow! Oh? Walay tatsa. Would you order it again?
Of course.
Na, paborito talaga ni Jan. Ha? Ang sarap. Ang tamis ng mangga.
I think you could take this broth and put mung beans in it. Guys, may mga bees dito sa labas. O, sobrang dami. Ayan, inano na ni Jan. Inisprayhan niya ng water. Sobrang dami nila. Ayan, inisprayhan na ni Jan. Sobrang dami nila kanina. Ayan, Swarming, they're not biters.
Okay.
You might step on one, but they don't start stinging until they have an established hive.
Sobrang lakas ng ulan, guys, pero kailangan namin tong ayusin dito sa labas. Ayan si Jan. Kasi kailangan nating takpan tong mga holes na to. Kasi yung nag-ayos ng bahay namin nung nakaraan, hindi nila ginawa ng tama ang kanilang trabaho. Ngayon, may swarming kanina. So kailangan natin siyang takpan.
Did you get a picture of all the bees? The video?
It's too light. It's already splashing the nagwabo.
Naalala ninyo guys, si Feby, yung bago kong nakilalang kaibigan na nagbigay sa akin ng mangga. Pupunta kasi sila ngayon dito, dadaan lang sila guys para maghatid ng marami pang mangga para i-share ko daw sa iba kong mga friends dito sa Florida. And sabi ko, bibigyan ko na rin din siya ng tinola kasi paborito niya rin daw ito eh. Tapos sabi niya, ay, paborito mo ba ng Jollibee, parang Jollibee spaghetti kasi naggagawa daw siya. So dadalhan niya din ako ng spaghetti at saka nilungag nga saba. Excited na din ako guys. Yun yung merienda natin mamaya. O diba? Ano lang ito, exchange gift.
Hello.
Ay, wow. Barter.
Barter, barter.
Spaghetti.
Hi, Jen. How
Hello.
are you?
Good. How you doing, Feby?
Good.
Hello, thank you so much for dropping this. You sure you don't want to stay?
We need to go soon.
Okay.
Yes. See you in July also.
Yeah.
Enjoy
Okay.
your tinola.
Yes. Take care.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Sure that's enough for two there?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Thank you. Ingat. Okay. Lots of mangoes here. Lots of mangoes. Wow. lots of mangoes. Mangoes. I think they just harvested some of them. And, oh, saging. She already. Oh, this is Filipino spaghetti. Merienda. Ay, wow. That's a lot.
Eto na guys, finally dumating na yung delivery ng mga bags natin na in-order natin from Malaysia 2 weeks ago. Ayan, dito lang natin lalagay sa garage muna. Kaso nga lang guys, may kaunting problema kasi I'm expecting 14 boxes today and 3 lang yung na-deliver sa akin today. Hopefully ma-deliver yung iba bukas. Dali ko na nga binuksan ito guys at isa-isa na naming in-arrange ni John ito dahil mamaya ay i-chat ko na lahat ng mga nag-order sa akin para makuha ko na yung mga remaining balance nila and then para maipaship ko na ito sa kanila. Buti na rin na hindi nagsabay-sabay guys, no? Para hindi maghuot dito sa ating living area kasi wala na tayong malalakaran dito guys kapag magsabay-sabay na dumating yung mga stocks natin tapos may mga sabon pa yun guys. So buti na rin na 3 lang muna yung dumating.
Like that. Looks like it's already like
It's
lasagna.
It's set. Yes.
Uh-huh.
That's what pasta does. It's
Okay.
set.
So, we do that. And then, 30 seconds, 1 minute. Maybe 1 minute.
At least a minute.
Well, mag-edit pa nga ako eh.
Hot now?
Yeah, it should be hot now. Okay, let's try it. Spaghetti.
Smells good.
Hala, ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
Oh, wow. It's good, huh?
Very delicious.
Iba! Kakaiba yung spaghetti niya.
Has meat in it.
Let's try this. Maybe 30 seconds. Ang sarap! In fairness, ha? Oh, wow. Guys, may pumunta dito kanina, kababayan. Nagdala siya ng spaghetti, Pinoy style spaghetti. Ininit lang namin. Sobrang sarap, nagustuhan ni John. Thank you so much, Feby! Ang sarap ng spaghetti mo. Hala, parang tinalo mo pa si Jollibee. You
Thank you,
know?
baby.
You know, it's better than Jollibee. Ang sarap niya. Ito na yung dinner namin. Hindi tinipid sa ingredients.
Do I want banana?
Ay? Ang sarap din ng banana, ha?
A little different, no? Different.
Saba. Hala, naubos na namin.
Ay!
Ay, amoy ulam.
Hindi, mabango!
Ito.
Katapos lang namin doon, Day.
Ha?
Katapos lang namin, 3 araw kami nagpa.
Nagunsa mo.
Negosyo, wala.
Sige na, magkuha na mo.
Ang marap na ang mangga. Oo.
Sige na! Ay, mangga kaya. Ito na kumukuha dito sa imuhan.
Ha? Ikaw ka magmangga?
Marami mangga si Ate Dave.
Ay, ikaw lang pala may kailangan ng mangga.
Idoble na lang, Day.
O,
Idoble.
dala.
Idoble na lang ang bang.
Oo.
Hindi po namin ubusin yan kasi
Ubusin. Aw, dito, ano lang magpa.
Iba-iba yun.
Iba-iba.
Isa
Oo.
daan, isa doon.
2. Different saan kayo napunta?
Everybody eat them green?
Isa man.
You like them green?
Purple.
Yeah,
Kanino?
Sa kay ano?
I don't like them so
Ano
much
na
green,
kailangan?
but
Kanino
when,
to? Ano
when
to?
they're
Sige.
ripe, it's very
Yes, really
delicious.
good. I-mix mo, te. Mix mo, mix mo.
Oo.
Parang masarap.
Kaya magkuhan mo niya, mukbang mo mangga.
So tomorrow they have work also from the
Dito gyapon doon pa rin.
No, books yun na yung sa kanila.
Bolsyo na kayo. Wow.
Sila lang.
Sa asa? Saan?
Sa ano mo, te? Wala ba? Wala ba? Sa Marin. Marin
Tapos
Kaya
dugay
na
dugay
po.
mo uli. Or dito mo mag-stay.
Hindi, mag-ulit.
Uli
na, ihatid
Ah,
ko
dito
lang.
na sa Florida.
Ako trabaho sa mga tigulang.
We're gonna drop him off, and he's gonna pick up his clothes and stay with to Beverly's house.
Ah, wala mas Beverly yan.
And then they're gonna work for 2 days.
Ikaw wala na kay work. Ugma.
Stay at home na po na siya.
Retired na siya sa ano.
Gulay-gulayan.
Uy,
Sana all.
pangalan
Wow.
Ano yan?
Oo.
What is that?
Yan yung
Matamis?
matamis.
Ay, akin na to.
Sorry,
Wow.
pangalan. Well, we're not gonna stay long because I have to.
Mayroon din po.
Pero may mama din siya.
Thank you.
Ayan na kay ate. Doon na ako pinapili.
Ano dahil ito matamis? Ano ito?
Matamis yan?
Matamis
Sige,
ito.
sige, ilagay.
Sige, lagay lang.
Alright, sige. Kasi doon na sila kami.
Kailangan ako dito.
Oh, sige.
Yes.
Hindi ka dahil.
May plastic ka pa?
Mau kang singwat ha? We work our ass off like for 3 days.
Wow, saan ba galing yan? Saan ba galing?
Sa Parkland.
Oh, magic. Get some
Gahatid ng
I know.
work ko.
Well, I don't work anymore on main
Kasi
go.
na kasi may
Sige,
wala sa akin
Bigyan.
garden.
we have 14
Ang mga
days.
isa na lang ang bigyan ko na.
So,
Sa kanila.
for the whole year,
Oh, yeah.
I have days. I carry
Ayun po.
Thank you so much po. Right,
Thank
right.
you,
You're
Lord.
Kunya ito magbaraha o. Nabi ako ano sa dito pero busy mo. Next time na lang.
No, this year a lot of
Dili
people
ko
are
visit.
offering.
Sunday or Monday.
Our
Ayan, so ito yung mga kaibigan ni Ate Edith, guys. Sabi ko kasi sa kanila, punta sila dito sa bahay kasi marami akong mangga dito na binigay din sa akin ni Feby at saka ni Karen, no? So i-share din natin ito sa ating mga kababayan kasi hindi naman natin maubos ito lahat. Kaya yun lamang po ang vlog natin for today, guys. Medyo busy lang ako ngayon, guys, sa pag-shipping dahil marami na namang boxes na darating ngayon. So kailangan matapos natin ito ngayon dahil 1 week na lang ay magbabakasyon na tayo. So kaya binibilisan na namin, guys, na matapos na ito and siguro magpapatulong na lang ako sa kanila pala o sinabi ko sa kanya na pag wala siyang gagawin, pwede siyang pumunta dito sa bahay at tulungan ako o bayaran lang natin sila, guys. So thank you so much for watching my daily vlog today. Maraming salamat. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye!